Hi everybody, I am Tabitha, your SCENTSY consultant at tabbycatsense.scentsy.us, and I wanted to come on and show you today the July 2018 warmer of the month. And I haven't even opened it yet because I want to share my opening experience with you. And it is 10% off, and it will be perfect for you or for anybody that loves unicorns. Yes, it's Stella the unicorn. How amazing is that? Check it out. You see, she's still in the box. I wanted to wait for you. And she is 10% off for the month of July 2018. Yes. Now let's open it. That is my daughter, Haley. She's my assistant. This is going to be her warmer in her room, and she is waiting too to open this box. Yes. Say hi,
Haley. Hi.
It's for any unicorn lover. And she loves unicorns. Okay.
Open it.
Now, the unveiling is starting.
Open it. The head. I want the head.
This is Stella the unicorn's head.
The head.
These holes are for the scent release. And look at the beautiful mane. Mane on the back, the mohawk with the pretty colors and the beautiful unicorn.
Purple,
Look how
blue,
beautiful.
and pink.
Look how beautiful. Pink, turquoise, and purple. And the unicorn is pink. Look how cute.
Yeah, the horn is pink. Light pink. Then it has like swirls on it. Swirls.
Are you ready? The body.
Where's the legs? Oh. Where are the arms? Oh.
Look at it. It is so cute. This is an element warmer. So there's no light bulb in element warmers. It's just the dish. See, this is where you put your wax. There is no removable dish, and it's a heating plate. That's an element warmer. Look how beautiful. Look at the tail.
Pretty tail.
And look, it even says SCENTSY on it. And now put it on the head. Woohoo! There's Stella the unicorn.
Unicorn.
And how you can tell it's on is, see, this little red dot will glow. And that's how you know it is on. And look at her. I'll give you a full 360.
Unicorn sweater.
Yes, my daughter, she loves unicorns. And this is going in her bedroom. It is perfect for any little girl that loves unicorns or any adult that loves unicorns too. Look how beautiful how she shimmers, and you don't even need a light bulb in it. It's amazing. It's a heating plate that warms the wax. And it's a lifetime warranty. Get your hands on this for 10% off of July 2018. We are so excited to have Stella the unicorn warmer, our new addition in our home. She is amazing. One more time. See, look.
Unicorn.
Remember, that red light means that she's on when it glows. Look how pretty. Haley, do you love her?
Yeah.
So, if you want Stella the unicorn today, then all you got to do is go on my website at tabbycatscents.scentsy.us and click specials and scent and warmer of the month on the tab. That's all you do, and click her to your order, and she will be shipping in 7 to 10 business days. It depends on how fast our shipping is right now. So I hope you love my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and you'll be glad you did. And follow me on hashtag #TabbyCatScents. Thank you. Have a great day.